Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to use blending modes. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is on the right side of your screen here, you'll see that if you have two different layers, I have one layer on top of the other one currently right now that I've just been messing with and that kind of stuff. So let's say I wanted to use blending modes to blend these pictures together. It's not going to work well because it's the same picture and I have the saturations all different and stuff. But let's say I wanted to do that anyway. I'd click on the top layer and then at this thing here, you'll see mode. This is your blending mode and you can choose a different mode to sort of blend into. So I could dodge, as you see. I could addition, could burn. It's difference. It's weird. These pictures don't contrast each other all that well, so you're gonna notice like sort of like a weird effect, but that is how you go ahead and use the blending modes. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. Other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.